welcome to Storytime Island. Today I have another short moral story for all of my lovely people. One day, a lamb was eating sweet grass away from her flock of sheep. She didn't notice a wolf walking near her. When she saw the wolf, she started pleading. "Please don't eat me. My stomach is full of grass. You can wait a while to make my meat taste much better." Again the lamb said, "The grass in my stomach will be digested quickly if you let me dance." The wolf agreed. While the lamb was dancing, she had a new idea. She said, "I can dance faster if you take my bell and ring it so hard." The wolf took the bell and started to ring it so hard. And then the shepherd heard the sound and ran quickly to save the lamb's life. So friends, we learned today that in this story, always act wisely in difficult times. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell icon to never miss another video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.